Mr.
Ay, paligid naman po muna ng mga palakpakan to the beat of the music. Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, let us also put our hands together and make some noise as we welcome Mr. Harness and Mrs. Chris Moyang! Everybody put your hands together and make some noise!
And now it's time to welcome the third on our couples. We have Mr. and Mrs. Jasper and Selena Peaceful. Let's go! Come on! And finally, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the newest Mr. and Mrs. Francis and Cristal Monteliano. Alright, there you have it. Pwede ka muna na isang masigaw ng palakpakan for all our married couples. There you have it. You may now take your seats. To all our guests and of course, to our couples. Tumayo po muna tayo once again. To all our four newlywed couples and of course, before we start with our wedding celebration for tonight, why don't we ask for a 5-second kiss? Gusto ba natin yun? Ay, pumalakpak naman kung gusto natin yun.
Parang hindi sila ganado, ano?
Parang gusto na ayak na. And of course, we need your help. Sir JM and I, your help, you guys. Okay, so I need you guys to help us out through clicking your glasses with any of the utensils available on your table. Once again, lahat po ng mga kutsara at tinidor, I need you guys to click your glasses for 5 seconds. Pwede po ba namin marinig yun? Alright, louder! We need louder! We need a louder clicking because they won't stop kissing unless you stop clicking. Newlyweds, wala pong titigil ha, hanggat hindi po narinig ang number 1. Alright, let's do this. To all our married couples, 5-second kiss in 3, 2, and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, kumusta naman po kayo dito sa gilid? Okay naman po? Dito po, alam niyo na, ang ginaw talaga sa Baguio City, Sir.
May tumigil, no? May tumigil. Nice, Lord.
Uy, bakit naman nasa leeg na? Dahil,
Ang usapan magtumigil ulit. Tama ba?
Alright, so one. Alam, ang ginaw talaga sa Baguio City, kaya kung sa inyo, dapat may mga Uy, di ba nag-enjoy sila?
Alam mo itong mga mag-aasawa to talaga naman, oh. Alam mo yung napipil nila yung couple sa isa't isa talaga. Nag-iinit sila.
Ay, talaga.
Oh.
Nag-enjoy